Welcome back to the vlog. Nice days out today. I'm here taking a break because I'm working on replacing the transfer case fluid, and I tried to look for a video on YouTube for do the transfer case fluid on a 2016 BMW 535i, and I found videos of transfer case but not for my exact car. So I kind of took an idea from the videos that I saw, but definitely not the same. So I just want to show you something real quick. Let me get under the car. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me crumble down here. All right. Look. This is what I want to show you. They usually have a drain plug and a fuel plug. But on the 2016 BMW 535i xDrive, there is no drain plug. Drain plug should be in here, and it's not in here. So it doesn't have a drain plug. It only have a fuel plug, and the fuel plug, let me show you real quick. The fuel plug is up here. Wait, where is it? Right there. That's the fuel plug right there. So I'm gonna have to get that plug out. I'm gonna have to use this that I got right here. I got that thing right there, and I replaced the plastic hole. I replaced the plastic holes from one side to the other side so I can put it inside there and kind of drain the fluid out. So just so you know, if you got a 2016 BMW 535i F10, it say right there. That's funny, I didn't know. It say F10 F11, boom, right there. If you have a 2016 one, you actually don't have the drain plug. So you're gonna have to get to the fuel plug that is up here. Now I saw a video where they removed this thing, and what I did is that I had this T10 or T something, I don't remember, but I cut it and I put it in the 40mm range. I kind of saw this in a video and I thought it was a pretty good idea, so you don't have to take all this stuff out from here. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to get this thing and put it up there and trying to lose the plug. I hope it works. I haven't even tried it yet. So if it works, I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna drain it out if I can with that hose, and then I'm gonna fill it back up, and that should be it. I have to take this whole thing out. Super big, huge. It go all the way from the back to all the way on the front. I mean, it's huge, and I had to take it out so I couldn't get to it. This is the transmission pan right here. I got this done at the BMW. Super expensive, by the way. Next time I'll probably do it myself. But just to give you guys an idea, if you're gonna get a 2016 and you wanna do the transfer case, that's what you gotta do. And the only reason I'm doing it because I went to the BMW dealer and they wanted to charge me $1,000. Dude, $1,000 for the labor. That's without the fluid. Hell no. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to figure it out myself because that's a lot of money. I mean, I can't keep modding my car with that money. So yeah, they say it takes them 7 hours to get it done. I mean, I'm hearing jacks, man, on the floor, and I'm just messing around, you know what I mean, taking my time. But it definitely won't take 7 hours at the dealership with all the tools and the lift that they got. So they just wanted to rob me. And that's Apple's BMW in York, just so you know, York, Pennsylvania. But anyway, that's the video for today, just to give you a heads up. You don't have a drain plug on the transfer case on a 2016 BMW 535i. All you got is the fuel plug, and you have to use a hose to empty it out, and you gotta use a hose to fill it back up. Alright, if you wanna be smart and trying to do this that I did. Oh my god, I can't even move my hand, I'm stuck. Hold on. Trying to grab it. Here. If you're trying to do this, it would be a better way, so you don't have to take all this shit out. So you don't have to take this whole piece out, just so you can get to that bolt up there. Where's the bolt again? Right there. That's the bolt right there. So yeah, there you go. Like, hit the like button, please. Look what I'm going through right here, just to give you guys some content. So hit the like button, subscribe, share the video if you got somebody that have a 535 and trying to figure it out. So there you go. Until the next one, man. Look, I bust my finger. This is what you have to do. But until the next one, man, be safe. You already know.